Motion mostly occurs in our daily activities, such as walking, running, cycling, jumping and so on. Physically, when an object changes its positions, it is called motion. Mathematically, motion can be described in terms of displacement, distance, velocity, speed, acceleration, deceleration, and time. In this video, we are going to discuss more on motion in terms of acceleration. Acceleration is a vector quantity and therefore it has a direction and magnitude. When the speed or direction of the motion changes, it is considered as acceleration. To accelerate, you must change your speed or change your direction, or you can change both speed and direction. For example, sprinting requires horizontal acceleration, whereas jumping relies on vertical acceleration. Vertical acceleration is equal to the gravity acceleration, which is 9.81 meters square. Here are some examples on acceleration in sports. Let's look at how sprinter accelerate during running. At the starting point, the velocity of the sprinter is 0 meters per second. When the sprinter starts running, the velocity of the sprinter will increase until it reaches its maximum speed. Therefore, when the sprinter changes the magnitude of their motion, it is considered as acceleration. During running, the sprinter run with constant velocity, whereby there is no changes in the velocity. However, at the corner the sprinter changes its direction. Therefore, when the sprinter changes the direction but with constant velocity, it is also considered as acceleration. At the finishing line, the sprinter is slowing down until they are in complete stop. When the sprinter stops, the velocity is 0 meters per second. During slowing down, the sprinter reduces its velocity. When the sprinter reduces the velocity to stop, it is also considered as acceleration, and the correct term is deceleration. What happened to a bowling ball during bowling tournament? For the first time, the bowling ball hits the bowling lane. Immediately after, the bowler releases the bowling ball. The velocity of the bowling ball is 0 meters per second. When the bowling balls start rolling on the bowling lane, the velocity of the bowling ball will increase. The changes in velocity of the bowling ball are called acceleration. When the bowling ball hits the pin, the velocity of the bowling ball decreases. The decrease in velocity is called negative acceleration, or it is also known as deceleration. Let's look at some exercise. Situation 1. During the men's doubles badminton match in 2016 Olympic Rio, what will happen to the shuttle? Smashing the shuttle. When the shuttle hits the court. Situation 2. In track and field event, during the Indonesian Asian Games, what will happen to Malaysian high jumper athlete Lee Hup Wei? The jumper taking off the ground. The jumper landing on the ground. Ready with your answer? Let's look at situation 1. Answer. During smashing, the shuttle possesses speed. At this point, the initial speed is 0 meters per second, while the final speed is greater than 0 meters per second. So, the shuttle is accelerating. Answer. When the shuttle hit the court, the final speed of the shuttle is 0 meters per second, while the initial speed is greater than 0 meters per second. The shuttle is reducing its speed. So, the shuttle is decelerating. In this case, there is acceleration in both situations. Either it is acceleration or deceleration. Let's move on to situation 2. The initial velocity of the jumper 0 meters per second. When the jumper take off the ground, the velocity is increasing. The initial velocity of the jumper is greater than 0 meters per second. When the jumper landed on the ground, the velocity is 0 meters per second. At this point, the jumper decelerates. In both situations, there is acceleration. Both acceleration and deceleration are considered as acceleration. When the acceleration is positive, it is called acceleration. Acceleration is the increase in speed or velocity. When the acceleration is negative, it is called deceleration. Deceleration is the decrease in speed or velocity. Do bear in mind, to accelerate you must 1. Change your speed, velocity, either it is increasing or reducing. 2. Change your direction. 3. Or you can change both speed and direction. Hope you understand the concept of acceleration and deceleration. Till we meet again, thanks for watching.